Hello, little explorers. Have you ever looked at a clock and wondered how to tell the time? Today, we'll learn how to read a clock together. Are you ready? Let's get started. This is an analog clock. It has numbers from 1 to 12. These numbers help us tell time. There are two hands on the clock. The short hand tells us the hour and the long hand tells us the minutes. Let's take a closer look. The short hand points to the hours. If it's pointing at the 3, it's 3 o'clock. Now it's pointing to 4, so it's 4 o'clock. Easy, right? The long hand is for minutes. When it's pointing at 12, it means o'clock.
When the minute hand points to 1, that's 5 minutes past the hour. When it points to 2, that's 10 minutes past the hour, and when it points to 3, it's 15 minutes past the hour. Similarly, when the minute hand points to 4, it is 20 minutes past the hour. When it points to 5, it is 25 minutes past the hour. And, when it touches 6, it would be 30 minutes past the hour. Now, let's look at a few examples. Can you tell the time in this clock? The first clock shows 8 o'clock. The second one shows 9 o'clock and the last one shows 6 o'clock. Good job! Let's try more examples. Tell the time in these clocks. The first clock shows 1:15. The second one shows 3:15 and the third one shows 4:15. Let's see some more examples. Tell the time. The first clock shows 8:30. The second clock shows 4:10. The third clock shows 10:25.
Well done. Let's continue learning the minutes. If the minute hand points to 7, it is 35 minutes past the hour. When it points to 8, it is 40 minutes past the hour. When it points to 9, it is 45 minutes past the hour. If the minute hand points to 10, then it is 50 minutes past the hour. If the minute hand points to 11, it would be 55 minutes past the hour. When the minute hand touched 12, it would be 60 minutes past the hour. Which means when the minute hand goes all the way around the clock, 60 minutes have passed, and that's one whole hour. Isn't that super cool? Now, let's practice. Here you go. Tell the time. Clock 1 shows 1:30. Clock 2 shows 12 o'clock. Clock 3 shows 6:30. Tell the time. Clock 1 shows 6:55. Clock 2 shows 7:05 and clock 3 shows 4:35. Great job! You've learned how to read the time on a clock. Now you can practice with any clock you see. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Stay curious and happy learning.